Hello, my name is Dr. Linda Stein Gold, and I'm the Director of Dermatology Clinical Research at Henry Ford Health in Detroit, Michigan. Zasocitinib is currently in clinical trials, so it's an investigational drug, but it works by a similar mechanism of action to deucravacitinib. This is a TYK2 inhibitor, and we know that TYK2 is really at the center of this very important inflammatory axis involving IL-23 and IL-17, which are two very important cytokines in the pathogenesis of psoriasis. So we know that zasocitinib has been shown to really get at the core of preventing this inflammatory axis. It's an oral drug, and it's been shown to be highly, highly selective for TYK2, and it's shown to be really a potent molecule in that it has inhibition over the course of 24 hours. So with the specifics of this molecule, we would hope to see that when we look at it in clinical practice, as we did with this clinical trial, the LATITUDE Atlas study, we'd hope to see that it provides good efficacy in these moderate to severe plaque psoriasis patients. The LATITUDE Atlas study was a head-to-head study comparing deucravacitinib to a new, currently being evaluated TYK2 inhibitor called zasocitinib. And this was studied head-to-head in patients who have moderate to severe plaque psoriasis. And we're looking at a number of clinical endpoints. We're looking at efficacy, we're looking at tolerability, we're looking at safety. And the bottom line is, in terms of efficacy, zasocitinib was statistically superior to deucravacitinib in all of the primary and secondary endpoints that were evaluated. The primary endpoint was at week 16, which isn't that much time. And in fact, we found that 35% of the patients treated with zasocitinib got to completely clear skin, or a PASI 100, at week 16. And this was actually 2.5 times greater than the response to deucravacitinib.